welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skimson from the 9th to the 13th of March 2026 on Monday. A public announcement about TEF High new teacher leaves Mrs. Kulu anxious about his future. Alfred and Evelyn clash over his refusal to allow her to take the choir to Johannesburg on Tuesday. The Hassel's past comes back to haunt him in his own backyard. Mr. Kulu panics when he catches someone searching through his belongings, fearing that his secret may be discovered on Wednesday. A routine day in court takes an unexpected turn, catching everyone off guard. Kwesi's excitement quickly fades as an unexpected call delivers news she was not prepared for. Melita plans or slams Mr. Homo with a harsh ultimatum on Thursday. Kwesi faces the terrifying suspect of losing everything. The new Mrs. Homo is determined to block the old Mrs. Homo from getting a job. In court, Pretty proves Moss to Moss that she is a worthy opponent. On Friday, Peterson stumbles upon evidence that could send Kwesi to jail for a long time. Pretty lashes out at the client, leaving her boss unimpressed. Melita expresses her true feelings to Ivy in a candid conversation. Well guys, that's all I have for so you can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.